the story of the Wolf and the Seven Kids, a German fairy tale by the Brothers Grimm. Once upon a time, there lived a mother goat and her 7 children. Now, we all know that a baby goat is called a kid, and that is why this story is called The Wolf and the 7 Kids. There's the first one, and number 2, 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and... Uh-oh, I wonder what's happened to the littlest kid. Oh, there he is, hidden in the deep grass. He was the youngest and therefore the cutest of all the brothers and sisters. The 7 little kids were very happy in their home in the meadow and spent day after day playing Follow the Leader and other games. It was great fun, and the littlest kid did his best to keep up with his older brothers and sisters. But sometimes he had to take a shortcut or else lose the game. He might not have been a champion at Follow the Leader, but he always won when they played hide and go seek. He was the smallest and could easily hide behind a rock, a toadstool, or even in their mother's pots and pans. And he was still small enough to paddle around their swimming hole on a lily pad. Wow, doesn't that look like fun? And at night, the 6 older children all slept together in a big wooden bed. But the littlest kid still slept in a basket tucked away in a corner beside his mother's old rocking chair. The days and nights passed quickly for the 7 kids because they had plenty to eat, lots of time for play, and no school. They didn't seem to have a worry in the world. But one morning, this was all to change. The sun was shining brightly, and the meadow was aglow with wildflowers. And so the mother goat decided to go into the village to do some shopping. But before she left, she warned her children to be on their guard.
All right, children, I'll be back before dark. Just beware of one thing. We never know when that wicked wolf will come snooping around, so lock the door and don't open it for anyone.
Okay. But, Mother, what's a wolf?
You'll know him because he has a voice as rough as gravel and as loud as thunder.
And his feet are as black as coal. Isn't that right, Mommy?
That's right. So if you see those black feet from under our door, don't you dare open it.
All right. Okay.
And so the mother goat set off for the village, confident that her children would obey her orders. But the mother goat wasn't the only one in the meadow that morning. She was being watched as she left by a very hungry fellow.
I've been waiting a long time for this chance. My mouth has been watering for some of those delicious goat chops ever since they were born.
Oh, those poor little kids are so busy playing that they haven't seen the wolf yet. But at least they remembered to lock the door.
Children, it's your mother. I came home early. Open the door for me, won't you?
Mommy. Oh, no, you don't.
Hey, what's keeping you? Open the door. Hurry.
Oh, no, you don't. You don't sound like our mother. You're the big bad wolf.
Huh?
The wolf had heard that if you ate enough chalk, it would make your voice as smooth as baby powder. So he bought the biggest box he could find and quickly wolfed it down. But that's only for wolves now. Don't any of you ever try it because it will give you a terrible tummy ache. That wolf was really angry now, so he went to the barn and stole some flour and began dusting himself all over.
Children, it's your mother, and I brought you all a present.
Mother? It sounds like Mommy.
I brought you cookies and cakes and delicious candies.
The feet are white. It is Mother. Mommy! Mama! Mommy! Mommy! Oh,
The frightened kids ran here and there, trying to find a place to hide. But they were all too big, and the wolf would have no trouble finding them.
Not bad at all. Who's next? Gotcha! Well, what have we here?
In no time at all, that wicked wolf had swallowed the little kid. Huh?
I could have sworn I saw a kid come out of that clock. I just know I saw one go into that clock. Now, let's see. There was one over there. There was two. There was three. There was four. There was five. I can't remember. Okay, once again. There was one, there was two, there was three.
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock. There was 5, there was 6, and there was 7, yeah. I got them all. They were delicious.
Oh, my goodness. That was really quick thinking by the littlest kid, wasn't it? Uh-oh. Here comes the mother goat. What will she think when she finds that the wolf has eaten 6 of her children?
Children! Children! Oh! Children! Children!
Mother!
Children! Oh, thank goodness.
The big bad wolf was here.
Oh, no!
Let's play hide and seek in the cuckoo clock. Mama, there's the wolf.
Hurry, bring the scissors and a needle and thread.
Okay.
And with a snip, 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 the mother goat had freed her children from the tummy of that wicked wolf. The mother goat was overjoyed to have her children back, but she knew that that wicked wolf might wake up at any time. So she stuffed him with as many rocks as she could find and sewed him up tight. It had been a long time since the wolf had had such a full stomach, so he slept and he slept the whole night through. When the wolf awoke the next morning, his throat was still dry from eating all that chalk, so he staggered to his feet and went off for a drink at the well. And that was the end of the big bad wolf. After that, the 7 little kids never had to worry about him again, and they played outside every day from morning till night. Uh-oh, where'd that little fella go now? I'll bet he's playing hide and seek with us again. But we know where he's hiding, don't we?